Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable Hey Google for Google Gemini mobile. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go and open Google app, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. Click on settings. After that go to Gemini, click on it and go to the option Talk to Gemini hands-free. Click on it. And as you can see, it will give you the first option, like, hey Google, access your assistant anytime. You say, hey Google, when your screen is on, you can activate it. And like that, every time when your screen is on and you say that word, it will automatically activate Google Gemini and you can use it easily. And of course, there is like voice match model. Like you can train the assistant to recognize your voice by clicking on that option. And if you don't want Google to save your voice, you can just delete voice match model and also remove voice match model from all your devices. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.